Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to your grade 2, your new session. I'm your teacher Hafsa Jamil here with you with the subject English, and I'm going to teach you unit number 11, and the name of the unit is the rain. It is a very important unit because rain is very important part of our life. It is very useful thing from the nature to us because human beings cannot live without a water. And in this unit you will come to know the struggles of farmers, those who grow wheat, rice, vegetables, mean to say that food for us to live. So this unit tells us about the farmers' struggles, the hardships and their poverty which they face when there is no rain. So this is the important unit, therefore we have selected for you in your grade 2 as well. So first of all, we will do the reading and that book work. After doing the book work, we will come towards the book. Well students, take out your book and open your book page number 91. Here is the unit, The Rain, unit number 11. Now we will start the reading. Jamal was a farmer. He had a wife and 2 children. Jamal, this boy name is Jamal and he is a farmer. वो एक किसान है. He had a wife and 2 children. उनकी एक बीवी और 2 बच्चे थे. He lived in a tiny village near मुल्तान. मुल्तान के पास एक छोटे से गांव में वो रहते थे. Jamal had a well on his land, but there was no water in it. जमाल के पास उसकी ज़मीन में एक कुआं भी था, लेकिन उस कुएं में पानी नहीं था. Every day जमाल looked at the sky. हर रोज़ जमाल आसमान की तरफ देखता था. There were no clouds. आसमान पर कोई बादल नहीं थे. The hot sun looked down on Jamal and laughed. जलता हुआ गरम सूरज जमाल की तरफ देखकर हंसता रहता था. Jamal went to Masood. Please lend me 50 rupees. जमाल अपने एक दोस्त मसूद के पास गया और उससे कहने लगा, प्लीज़ लैंड मी 50 रुपीज़, मुझे 50 रुपये उधार चाहिए. He said, मसूद कहने लगा, I can't, replied मसूद. मसूद ने कहा, मेरे पास नहीं है. There's no rain, कोई बारिश नहीं हो रही. No rain means no crops in the fields. कोई बारिश नहीं का मतलब कि हमारे ज़मीनों पर कोई फसल नहीं उग रही. When the rains come, जब बारिशें आएंगी, you can have the money, तुम पैसे ले सकते हो. Jamal went home and looked in the little box under the bed. जमाल घर वापस आया और अपने बेड के नीचे मौजूद छोटे से बॉक्स में देखने लगा. We have 60 rupees, हमारे पास 60 रुपये हैं. He said to his wife, उसने अपनी वाइफ से कहा. We can eat for a few more days, हम कुछ और दिनों तक खाना खा सकते हैं. Then what shall we do, उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे. Every day, हर दिन जमाल looked at the sky, आसमान की तरफ देखता था. Now I will go towards the page number 92. The sun laughed down at him. हर रोज़ जब जमाल आसमान की तरफ देखता तो सूरज उसकी तरफ देखकर हंसता रहता. There were no clouds. आसमान पर कोई बादल नहीं थे. Everyone was hungry. हर कोई भूखा था. After a few days, Jamal looked in the box again. 4 rupees. कुछ दिनों बाद जब जमाल ने उस बॉक्स को दोबारा देखा तो उसमें सिर्फ 4 रुपीज़ यानी सिर्फ 4 रुपये बाकी थे। We only have 4 rupees for food, he said to his wife. वो अपनी वाइफ से कहने लगा कि हमारे पास सिर्फ 4 रुपये हैं खाने के लिए। And then और फिर said his wife, उसकी वाइफ ने कहने लगी और फिर उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे? And then no food, said जमाल, और जमाल ने कहा उसके बाद हमारे पास कुछ खाने को नहीं होगा। They looked very sad, वो बहुत दुखी लग रहे थे। Suddenly अचानक जमाल्स वाइफ touched her earrings, जमाल ने की वाइफ ने अपने कानों में earrings को टच किया। What about these? she asked, वो कहने लगी इनका क्या मिल जाएगा? इनके बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है? I gave you those on our wedding day, said जमाल। जमाल कहने लगा ये तो वही इयररिंग्स हैं जो मैंने तुम्हें शादी पर दिए थे। जमाल्स वाइफ टेक ऑफ हर इयररिंग्स, जमाल की वाइफ ने अपने इयररिंग्स को उतारा। A tear dropped down from her eye, उसकी आंखों से आंसू बहने लगे। Sell them, she said, बेच दो इन्हें। We need food, हमें खाने की ज़रूरत है। जमाल was very sad, जमाल बहुत दुखी था। But he took the earrings and walked off towards the town. जमाल दुखी तो बहुत था लेकिन उसने इयररिंग्स को लिया और शहर की तरफ रवाना हो गया। Suddenly he stopped, अचानक वो रुक गया। Rain, rain, he shouted, और चिल्लाने लगा बारिश बारिश। The rain came pouring down, बारिश गिरने लगी। जमाल was very happy, और जमाल बहुत खुश हो गया। Now I will come towards the page number 93. Here we have a comprehension and we have these questions. The first question is, why was there no water in Jamal's well? Because there was no rain. Write down the answer in your notebook. What did Jamal do every day and why? Jamal रोज क्या करता था? He looked at the sky every day because he was wishing for the rain. What did Jamal ask Masood and why? Jamal asked Masood to lend him 50 rupees. उसने अपने फ्रेंड मसूद से 50 रुपीज़ उधार जो मांगे थे। What did Masood reply? And Masood replied that there was no rain, so there was no money. If there is no rain, there would be no money because there is no crops. Search the answer from that story and write down the answer in your notebook. How much money did Jamal find at home? He found 60 rupees in the box. Why did Jamal go towards the town to sell his wife's earrings? What made Jamal happy? He found rain pouring and that made him happy. Find and search some good answers from the story and write them down with the question as well in your notebooks or the booklets you have at home. Now I am doing the part number 2. Are these sentences true, T, or false, F? Those statements which are correct, you will write down T, and those statements which are false, wrong, you will write down F for them. Jamal had 2 children, not 3 children. We will write the statement is wrong, so we will write down F. F stands for false. There was no water in Jamal's well. Jamal के कुएं में कोई पानी नहीं था. Is that correct? This is correct. So we will write down T. There were thick white clouds in the sky. There were no clouds in the sky. So we will write down again false. Jamal lived in a big village near Multan. No, he lived in a small village near Multan. So statement is wrong. So we write down F again. Jamal sold his wife's earrings. जमाल ने अपनी वाइफ की इयरिंग्स को सेल कर दिया था, सोल्ड कर दिया था. नो, तो स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग क्योंकि वो तो अभी रास्ते में था. एंड द रेन स्टार्टेड, सो ही डिड नॉट सेल his wife's earring. So this is the part 2. Now this part number 3 is skipped. Now I will go toward the page number 94. Find these words in the story. The letters are here are jumbled. These words have no sense. These are jumbled. You have to write down the right answer. Write the word. The first word is R-A-I-N, rain. The second word is C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. The third word is P-L-E-A-S-E, please. Okay, your part D is A-F-T-E-R, after. Part E is R-U-P-E-E-S, rupees. These are the jumbo words. Now they have sense. This part will be done on the booklets. This one is a punctuation. You have to put full stops and capital letters in the following. I will do this work on the board as well. Now I am coming towards the next part. Choose the correct word from the brackets. A part, Jamal did not dash the earrings. Did not sell the earrings. Jamal did not go or went to town. Did not go to town. The rain did not comes or came. The rain did not come. Jamal did not borrowed 50 rupees. Did not borrow 50 rupees. Part number 2, add not to the following. In sentences mein you have to put these sentences negative. You have to put not in the sentences. This part will also be done on the whiteboard afterwards. Now on your book page number 95, part number D, who said the following? Listen to the sentences carefully. Now say the sentences aloud just like the people in the story would have done. What you have to do? Write down the name of the persons who said these lines. No rains means no crops. This line is said by his friend Masood. Write down Masood at the end of the sentence like this. Sell them. This said by Jamal's wife. And then no food. This is said by himself, Jamal. Then what shall we do? Again said by Jamal. Please lend me 50 rupees. This is again said by Jamal to his friend Masood. Rain, rain. These are the last words and again said by Jamal himself. So that's it. Your book work is done, your reading is done. Now we will go towards the whiteboard. Well, students, we have selected some words for word meanings and word sentences from this story, and I have pasted them on the board. Now we will do that word meanings and word sentences on the board. The first word is suddenly. Suddenly means all at once. The next word is pour. Pour means to fill. किसी चीज को भरना. Suddenly means अचानक. All at once यानी अचानक का किसी चीज का होना. Hungry. Hungry means भूख लगना या भूखे होना. Need to eat means किसी खाने की तलब होना. So these have the same meanings. Now I will come towards the word sentences. The first word is hot. Hot means garam. The sentence is tea is very hot. चाय बहुत गर्म है. Next word is food. खाना. I like to eat healthy food. मुझे healthy food खाना पसंद है. Last word is rain. Rain मतलब बारिश. I like the sound of raindrops. मुझे गिरती हुई बारिश की कतरों का आवाज़ बहुत पसंद है. I like the sound of raindrops. So these are the word meanings and word sentences from this lesson. Now I will go towards the grammar work of this specific unit. Okay students, now I am going to do the next part from grammar portion, and that is negative sentences. How to make negative sentences and what are negative sentences. First of all, we will read the definition of negative sentences, and then we will do the sentences. With the help of, you can do your negative sentences in your booklets, and you can also do it on your book as well. So let's start. Negative sentences. Negative sentences are formed by adding not after the helping verb. When we use a word not not in a sentence, this sentence turns into a negative sentence. The first sentence is Jamal sold his wife's earrings. जमाल ने अपनी वाइफ के earrings को बेच दिया. Now we are changing this sentence. As you can see, this sentence is in past form of verb. So we will write down sentence with the help of did. Jamal did not sell his wife's earrings. जमाल ने अपनी वाइफ के earrings को नहीं बेचा. The sentence that जमाल ने अपनी वाइफ के earrings को बेच दिया, and we change it to a negative sentence like putting did not in it, and we make the sentence he did not. जमाल ने अपनी वाइफ के earrings को नहीं बेचा. Now the next sentence is Jamal went to Multan. जमाल मुल्तान चला गया. Now we are changing this sentence into negative. Jamal did not go to Multan. जमाल मुल्तान नहीं गया. With the help of this and these sentences, how I use did not in a sentence to make that sentence into a negative, you can also make those sentences in your booklet and in your book as well, and turn them into a negative sentences. Do it by yourself in your homes. I hope you understand the concept of negative sentence properly. You have got a good understanding about unit 11, the rain. I hope this will help you a lot at home. Stay safe and avoid crowd places. Keep the social distancing and keep learning at home as well. Take care. Allah Hafiz.